is Dr. Harry.
So, Katie, what have you done to your car?
Oh. My bad.
That's a little bit smashed in.
That was there.
I think that's supposed to be straight, and I'm pretty sure that's supposed to not point that way.
Oh, look, I can see the ground.
Oh well, it's still a bonnet's not great. We got to go to the wreckers.
So, my car isn't the biggest of cars, and my sister isn't the best of drivers. And here she is in the back, holding on to her new bumper.
So all of this...
Hold on, we've got it.
We've got it. All of this got to go into there.
This might just work. Uh-oh.
Here we have it. It's nearly free. Alright. There we go. Now, we just gotta work out these lights, which maybe we should have done first. Come out of their switch. Haha.
Open sesame.
Open. And there it is. Just got this. Easy.
Light. Nice light work.
Pulling out the light. And we jam it into the spot, into the next one. Into there.
Hate to mention how that's the left one, not the right one. Does that matter?
Nope. Not one bit.
Okay. Expert Robert's on the case. That's not going to fit. Why are you taking it off?
He's kind of skipped a step, and it's fairly important. This guy, I don't think he'll make the mark.
So we need to put him in.
Yes, we need to put him in, and he was supposed to go in before he was supposed to go in.
We jumped the gun a little bit, bolted to it a little bit quickly.
Yes, we did.
And now we have to unbolt rather quickly as well. Out with the old, in with the, well, less bent old.
After struggling with our brutish caveman tools, we went and revisited the toolbox and went and got my old friend Ratchet Wrench. Ratchet Wrench, make life easy. That's so good. Oh yeah, see how easy that is? Oh yeah.
Okay, hands above the car.
Oh yeah.
One side's in.
No, we can't put that in yet because we've still got to find a screw for this one.
But it fits, right?
But it fits.
Look at that, my new car.
That's what it's going to look like. Done?
Alright. Woohoo! that doesn't quite cut. Look, see the lines are on the outside.
That's alright, I'm not cutting all the way out to the line.
I'm a little bit scared of what he's doing here.
Hey, this is
Got the surgery crosses.
This is how you meant to do it.
Oh god.
Well, the disc has shrunk down to nothing.
Oh god. Ow. I didn't need that bit. Can opener. Black tuna. Why? Why? Why the hole, Robert?
Why the hole? Bang. That's going right there.
Oh, God. After a quick wash, the bonnet doesn't look that off-white after all.
There we go. Beautiful. Like I bought one. Nice little pink trim around the wheels. Quick wash. It's like a new car. Can't really see that bonnet scoop. Get it nice and close. There we are. There it is. I reckon you should just drive it like that. You're just going to break the next one I put on anyway.
Save the trouble, I suppose.
Yeah.